So today we are doing Skepta, or the Eskiboy Pan Flute sound. This one. The iconic sound. Mad sound. So let's see if we can do it. The way I analyze the sound is that to me it sounds like Pan Flute that goes to the LFO. But let's see. So where did I find the Pan Flute sound? It's basically like the way you find anything. I went to the Google and I searched Korg M1 Pan Flute sample, and that brought me right on this page, freewavesamples.com. And here we have loads and loads of different Pan Flute sounds we can choose from. So basically you can download all of them. And once you've done that, you launch the program you use. Well, I use Ableton, but this works on any software. So let's open the sampler. Just drag and drop the sample. Here we go. Hold on. What's happening? Oh, there we go. And now we're done. Thank you. No, just kidding. Okay, let's start. First, what we do is that we go to the modulation page and choose the LFO2, number 2, and square wave. We will modulate the filter frequency over there. Let's choose the mount, put it somewhere like 40, 45, 49. And then let's add speed. Okay, that's a good start. Let's enable the LFO number 1. Also choose the square wave. Let's add speed. And here we go. Now we're going somewhere. I was actually a little bit testing earlier, and I choose to add oscillator in it. But this is sort of like a thing that you might want to do, you might not want to do. It depends which sample you choose. The reasoning why I decided to go this way is that it's add a little bit like extra attack on the sample. Yeah, I know it sounds a little bit rubbish. Let's see. Yeah, it might be that it's better without it. What I'm going to do next is to add reverb. Because it kind of brings more like authentic old school sound if you add reverb and maybe a little bit echo and then record and sample that sound again. It will sound amazing. So let's see. Let's just see some preset reverbs we have here, so no need to spend too much time of dialing the reverb. Yeah, I don't know about the oscillator thing. Kind of sounds bad. So let's put a little bit echo in it. There we go. I think 16th note is good. Just a little bit, just a tiny bit. There we go. And next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sample this sound again. Let's see. Maybe there we go. Let's add another track, audio track. Set the audio from the sampler track. So to me, it's this one. There we go. Just press the record. There we go. Let's crop the sample. Okay. And then what we're gonna do, we are going to add another sampler track. And just drag and drop this sound there. Here we go. Okay. It starts to actually sound pretty good. I'm actually also learning the Ableton Live, so this is my way of getting to know the software and learning the ins and outs of it. Because I've been actually using Logic Pro X for the past decade or even more, maybe like 15 years. So, but I thought that this is kind of the software that allows you to do the stuff that Logic maybe doesn't. Logic is better, in my opinion, Logic is better for recording and mixing. It's just like plain sound engineering stuff. But when you want to go hella deep in a creative way, you can't do things you can do in Ableton Live in Logic. It's just not possible. At this point, it's totally up to you what you want to do. If you want to even add another LFO and then sample again, and that's one way to go, because that will probably create some quite amazing effects. But I'm gonna do it easier way. I'm actually trying to search where's the volume. Here we go. And then all I do is to add another reverb. Where are you? There we go. and another echo. This time maybe add a little bit more amount. And I mean, if you want to leave it 8, that's okay. I'm gonna go with the 16th. Actually, here we go. Let's set the metronome on. Let's see if there's anything good. Do the quantizing. Hell no. Okay. Duplicate it. Try octave lower. But yeah, I mean, there we go. This is at least the beginning. I mean, it's not 1-to-1 sound, because I don't know where the sample is. Is it actually from the Korg M1, or is that like some sort of Super Nintendo sample or something? But I mean, this is at least somewhere in the ballpark. So there we go. This is my first tutorial. Let's see what comes next. Thanks. Bye.